There's rat poop and rat pee all in here, Mercy. What do you think about it? Yeah. Yeah, that's a good thought. Glass is fantastic on this car. I only found one cap, one hubcap. Yep. This is a hubcap, Mercy. It goes on the wheel. This thing came with a snowplow. Pretty shocked at the paperwork that's in this Jeep. Michelin X radial, 40,000 mile guarantee with odometer stamps, and they've been filled out. Paid $57 for 4 215/15 tires. Odometer readings. Looks like the original owner's manual. Wow, this paperwork is something. I wonder how much this is worth. Wow. I need to be careful with this. Look at this. Is this the original sales brochures? Look at that. This is the interior that it has. Empire Blue with spruce tip. Oh no, Marlin Brew. Marlin Brew. Marlin Blue. Some fire chief matches. See if there's anything in here. God, I'm just distracted by this picture. I can't believe that's in a sales ad. That's pretty cool. That's the way it should be, I guess. Let's see if a 40, 50, 60-year-old match will still light. That one didn't. Well, I ordered a distributor cap. This appears to be real nice quality, I have to say, from Rock Auto. I got me a rotor button, just kind of a rotor cap. Ordered a nice set of points. And I got myself some auto locks. I just grabbed what was in stock and what was cheap. And I think this and a set of wires and a little bit of time should be enough to get this Wagoneer running. So I'll say a prayer for me. I'll say one myself. Lord, let her run. Amen. And see if we can't get this Wagoneer to bark off a few times. I know it don't have any brakes, but hey, we'll get to that when we get to that. Keeping the boxes on all these except for the plugs. Some PB blaster. I basically want to run out here and just attempt to get these plugs out, and we'll see if that makes us a difference. I need to grab my bolster. I bought this a while back after seeing one on Junkyard Digs, and then Pole Barn Garage had one, and I was like, man, I gotta get that. I can't remember what I paid. I'd be lying if I told you a number, but I know it was cheap. It was like 15 or 30 bucks or something like that. This thing's been great. I can throw these out now. Our Motorcraft Platinums, they're not in bad shape. I'll hang on to those in case I need one. All right, got a rag, got some PB blaster. I got some things over here. Let me go scrounge up on this Wagoneer. I ain't bringing the battery, we're not there yet. I do have this awesome set. I got it at Harbor Freight. It was missing 2 items in it. They had it marked down to 20% off of 100. And I ended up asking them, would you take 50? And after some hem hawing, I got it for, no, I offered 40. After some hem hawing, I got it for 50. I had an extra wrench and a socket, threw it in there, and now I got a complete set, which is all 1/2-inch job, which is nice. The world's loudest cart. I want to make an off-road cart so I can get out here to my cars. So basically my goal is to just get this Wagoneer running enough that I can move it across the property, because I want to detail it. I just want to move it back and forth. I can use a gas jug for my can. Yep, she's out there. I opened it like something was going to jump out at me. Okay. Did I seriously just lose 4 spark plugs? No, I didn't. Oh, there's a frog. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is why you soak your spark plugs days in advance. I hadn't got to these. These are going to be the hard ones, you can tell. I don't know how I'm going to get to those. It looks like I might have to pull the brake booster. We will see, and I may do that because I know it's going to have to come off either way. I just think I hadn't soaked the brake booster and the brake lines. Look at me talking all this smack. Yeah, we'll let that soak, and I'll start getting this side out. But check them out, they look pretty rough. Nasty, 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 like that Bronco. Pulled the dipstick on this. It's showing some interesting stuff. Add 1 quart, operating range, and then capacity 4 quarts. So real quick, we're going to change this cap out and the rotor button assembly, and it's pretty corroded. I don't just want to throw a flathead on here and hope that I can get it. So I'm going to throw it on there and use this hammer to start tapping, which it may come off. Those are so corroded, I just don't want to take the chance of losing that flathead. And it's not a big deal. I can get the front off, but the bottom one's going to be just a bear. And I don't know about you, we've had a bear in the yard, and that's something I don't want to run into. So yeah. Well, if you want to know how the next few months of my life are going to be, let's just crack this open and we'll see. That's a bad sign already. I can't even get it open. Oh. It doesn't look that bad. The cap is completely gone. We've lost our drums, or I'm sorry, our wheel cylinders. Look at that. I've seen worse, I'll give it that. 18 hours later, I got this pump off. And I want to talk about something real quick. All Buick 350s in this 60s year range to 70, talking to the camera, Mercy, were painted red. Kind of cool. I'm starting to see a lot more red. But there's 5 bolts that get this compressor off, and this back one was down up under. I'll show you the bracket in a minute. It's something to see. Disconnected this clutch power line. Now I got to get this belt off. Whew, crusty.
Hello, camera.
Yep, there's some red.
Hello, camera.
Hello, camera. All right, that's pretty cool. Sometimes it's just nice to see stuff that's not been messed with and all janked up. You know, it's got a different rad hose on it, and somebody stole the wire, so I was kind of concerned this thing may have just been run about, but it appears to be a 79,000 mile vehicle. The brake pedal is old as Methuselah, but it's treaded out real nice. So I think this is real information here. Got a big canoe sticker here. It's like a Georgia State Patrol 1981 inspection sticker. We'll get to all that and all the paperwork in another video. I want to get it cleaned up. Look at it. Oh, look, we got some oil coming out of the compressor. Wow, that would have been a pretty color. Man, that's awesome. Maybe this compressor can be saved. I didn't want to run it. I just went ahead and pulled the lines, and there wasn't nothing in it. I just wanted to be safe. From what I could tell, a squirrel or something has gotten up in this AC condenser and radiator, started to pull out some core. That's not good. So I may be putting a rad in it. We'll find out.